Another day, another package. It's raining outside today. Let's see what we've got today. I think today we've got an air filter. I can't show any of the labels because I've got my address on it. Got my clothes out there on the line, just sitting in the rain. Oh well, next time it's a dry day, I'll get it. Cabin filter, and we've got an air filter. Looks alright. Hopefully gives me a little bit extra horsepower. If you look at these things, it looks alright. Looks like nothing's going to get in there. Yeah, pretty good. Got Honda 80292 SBG W01 there. Yep, not sure what that means. We've got the cabin air filter here. No, this is the air filter for the engine. So all the air that's getting sucked into the engine goes through this. They change it out tonight. See how it runs. This Honda air filter, yeah, 2007 Honda Civic, it's a FD. Get this, we're going to do this all on one hand. Got the R18 engine here. Air filter is over here. Just undo these clips, it's a little bit dirty, clean it up. And pull off this box. There we go. We got the old one, which is the same color, weirdly. But then again, this is a fake Chinese one, so they probably want to make it the same. This is like 60,000 Ks of dirt here. Ooh, that's black. That is black. Look over here. Got all the stuff up here. On this one, no markings, even though it came in a Honda bag. Same with the back. This is probably the original Honda one. And this is the cheap one from AliExpress. Just put it in there. Fits perfectly. And let's put it in. Gonna slip this in here. Yep. Clip these back up. And that's the filter done. So we'll do the air filter now. Clean filter into the car. I heard they're around here somewhere. They're underneath all this. Underneath here. So I'll see if I can get to that. Let's take this off. Here we go. Still something holding it in. Taking that clip off, must be. What's in there? Yeah, I don't know why this. Don't know why this isn't coming out now. Maybe just gotta force it out. Maybe, I don't know. It's these hinges at the bottom here. Maybe might require some screws. So underneath here is some screws that I've got to take out. So this one here. Finally. Just putting my hand on it so I can catch the screw when it comes out. Take a little screw here. Unscrew it by hand so I can catch the screw. There we go. Unclip this, and now this entire thing should just come out to reveal the air filter. Got right there, airflow, and you've got Honda PP T20. So just got a clip here on the right side. You push that in and pull it out a little bit, like a little crack, and you pull this and pull it out a little crack, and then grab it from the middle and just pull it out evenly. Let's see how much crap is in here. Oh, that's a dirty filter. That is this side is clean, so that's a good thing. Got in here is the entrance air, which is just, you know, the engine bay right there, and you got down here is the intake fan. So what you do is you just take out the old filter here, pull out the old dirty filter, the new clean filter. Oh no, I'll put Honda facing up, because what I've got here is this end flap here is facing up on here, and it's facing up on this side as well. So the Honda's gonna be annoyingly upside down. There's no Honda on this side, but yeah, here we go. And then slide the air filter back in, and it'll just click in. There we go. You can see the stereo stuff up there. Yeah. And then just put the glove back in. Boom.